Welcome to Hebrew School. We will learn 5 new words today. If you have not viewed week 1 or week 2 of Hebrew School, go back and review those weeks before moving forward. First, you'll see the word in English, then in Hebrew, and then you'll see the phonetic spelling of the Hebrew word. Afterward, there will be a quick quiz. Have fun! Mother, ain. Mother, ain. Father, ab. Father, ab. Sister, ahoth. Sister, ahoth. Love, ahav. Love, ahav. Daughter, bath. Daughter, bath. It's quiz time. Have fun. Awesome! Practice saying and writing these words daily. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will see you back here next week on Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Shalom, shalom.